I noticed that a lot of you have been asking me, what strategy do I use? Many of you also have been asking, what is the time frame? For every post that I make, I would see 1 or 2 comments asking me, what time frame? What time frame? Like, time frame is such a big factor in this trading space. So today, let's analyze charts together and go into a trade. Meanwhile, this is expert option trading, and options or binary options trading. Yeah, limited by time. So we just need few minutes, like I said, and we'll be done. You can trade for 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour. It is not something that you need to stick on your PC for the whole day. Okay, this is the interface on PC. And my personal strategy is to add 2 indicators. This right here is MACD indicator. Then I'm going to add RSI indicator. As you can see, I didn't change anything. I left everything the way they are. I'm talking about the data. So we are trading euro dollar, and this is how much I'm going to make if I win 1 trade. So let's make the duration 2 minutes. Let's analyze this together. It's not going to take time. So I would first go to 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Remember, this is showing candlesticks and not lines. Okay. You can change it from line. In case yours is showing line, you can change it to candles. Now let's look at it closely. 15 minutes, the market looks bearish, right? Even the RSI is facing down. MACD line is below the signal line. So it is actually showing a weak trend, like the market is dropping. That's 15 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes. Because this is a short time frame, like we're not trading for long, I don't want to start analyzing with 30 minutes. I don't do that. I just use little time frames. Okay, now MACD is showing green. You can see the bar green, which indicates volume. RSI is still pointing down. MACD line is below the signal line, which is still bearish. Looking at the charts, it looks like we are coming down. SNC traders, you see what I'm saying? There is a lower low here, and this is still a lower high, so bearish. That is my decision. Now I would go to 1 minute. Follow me carefully. This is 1 minute. Let's go to the beginning of the chart. Okay, remember I have been saying bearish, 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 so I am looking for a sell. I have been making decisions from 15 minutes to 5 minutes. So let's see. This is red, already red, and RSI is still within 50 neutral, but MACD is already bearish. This is red, remember. So there are 2 options here. My strategy says I wait for RSI to come, around 70% or at 70%, which is the overpriced, and my MACD must be giving me red bars, and MACD line should cross the signal line. That is what my strategy says. But this is 1 minute time frame, so I still have one more time frame to check, which is 30 seconds. One of the best things for me when trading on expert option is the fact that I can go below 1 minute time frame. How many of you noticed that? Yes, you don't get to do this on several exchanges or brokers. If you're analyzing with TradingView, you would have to pay before you use 30 seconds or less than 60 seconds. But here, we have the opportunity. We can do that. So I check 30 seconds. In fact, I take my entries first from 30 seconds. Then, it proceeds. Now, what am I looking for? This is very simple. I'm waiting for this RSI line to come up a bit. If it comes up towards this 70%, I'm going to have a buy. And yes, sorry, I'm going to have a sell. If it comes up here, I'm going to have a sell. Right now, you can see that MACD line has crossed the signal line, which indicates that price will go up. That's not what I want to do. Even the bar is showing green. That's not what I want to do. I want to have a sell. Remember, that's what I saw from the higher time frame, the 15 minutes. So let's wait for it. Let me check 1 minute again. 1 minute, this is green. It is not even red. So I am not going to have a sell. You understand? So let's wait for it. I don't wait tire. But finally we are here. You can see RSI. Let me show you this is 30 seconds. And first of all, it touched 70%, came down, went up again, and touched 70%. It's time for me to enter my trade. Trade duration. Let me set it again because put it back to 2 minutes. Oh, it is already dumping. Don't do that. I'm going in with $2,000. No, not a buy. My God, I have to cancel this. You will get, let me get my money back. Yes. So I'm currently in a sell, $2,000. Let's wait. It's going to dump. It is definitely going to dump. Sell, $2,000. So just simple. We don't do so much. We apply strategy. We wait for the market to go in the direction, and we make money. I can even go into another one. Do 2. Yeah. See, the strategy is confirmed. The MACD line, even though it is above the signal line, is already bending down. And you can see the bars, 2 red. it tells that the market is weak. And you know, this I didn't do my analysis with this time frame. I used 5 minutes, 15 minutes. You are here now. So that is why I expect the market to still dump because it is weak. Buyers are weak. So in less than, I don't think this was up to 2 minutes. So is it up to 2 minutes? Why is it already counting down? So I expect the market to sell within this time frame. That if I don't win this trade, then my time frame sold me out. I won one. I think I won one and lost one because yes, I lost one. Let's check the deal. Yes, I lost one. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's go again. One more. I'll go back to my 1 minute time frame. 1 minute. Okay, heading up. Let me check my duration again. Is this really 2 minutes? Then I would want to make it 3 minutes because why was that so fast? You see the disadvantage of using a very small time frame, right? So this is still a sell. This is still a sell. I entered twice now. Martingale, you lose one trade, you go into it twice. I can even enter more. How much? Okay. I don't want my account to go below 200k, so I can still do 3 trades. The market is weak. I told you. So you see, strategy is working. Strategy is working. That's how I've been able to grow my accounts. It's not magic. It's not, you see, I'm not panicking. I'm not, because this is just 1% of my capital or of my balance. 1%. So I don't panic. Whether I make this trade or I lose it, I can still recover as long as, so that is risk management as well. But high probability trading is following your strategy, following what works. The market has been weak. Looking at 5 minutes or even 15 minutes, the market is bearish. So we stand a chance of winning the trade if we go in accordance to what the trend says, which is what we are doing, and that's selling. Okay, so let's just wait. Still loaded. Less than 10 seconds. I'm winning this one. I just made $11,000. Look at my balance, just increased. So that is it, guys. That is that. See, I can keep going over this market again and again with this same strategy. Remember, the market is weak. So if this is 1 minute, my best shot would be when it comes back up. I can also go and wait for it at 30 seconds. So that 30 seconds will not be giving me an entry. You see, 30 seconds on the RSI is undervalued. And that is not where I want to get my entry. I want my entry here, you see. And you can see that it eventually, the RSI line, sorry, the MACD line crossed the signal line. Because I saw that by this indication, this red candlesticks. 2 red candlesticks would indicate that we are definitely going to respect that retracement. You see this strategy, it is priceless. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends who would be interested in trading, especially expert option. You can also sign up using the link in the description of this video. Enjoy my Telegram channel too.